Welcome back to Fair Value Study. Today is Wednesday, May 20th, 2026. Wall Street bounced back in a big way today, and we have a lot to unpack, from a massive Nvidia earnings report to a historic IPO filing that has the entire market buzzing. Let us start with the headline numbers. The Dow Jones Industrial Average surged 645 points, or 1.31%, closing back above 50,000 at 50,009. The S&P 500 climbed 1.08% to close at 7,432, and the Nasdaq added 1.54%, finishing at 26,270. After 3 straight sessions of selling pressure driven by inflation fears, today felt like a genuine relief rally. So what changed? It comes down to geopolitical optimism. Yields spiked hard on Tuesday as investors feared conflict-driven inflation would push the Fed to raise rates. But today, yields pulled back sharply after President Trump told reporters that the administration is in the final stages of negotiations with Iran. West Texas Intermediate crude fell 5.66% to $105.02. That drop in energy prices gave the bond market room to breathe, and equities followed higher. Now, for the big story after the bell, Nvidia. Nvidia reported fiscal Q1 earnings per share of $81.62 billion, beating Wall Street's estimates of $79.18 billion in revenue. For Q2, the company guided revenue between $92.8 billion, comfortably above the consensus estimate. Nvidia's data center business drove the bulk of this growth, coming in at $80 billion in share repurchases. CEO Jensen Huang described this moment as the build-out of AI factories, the largest infrastructure expansion in human history, accelerating at extraordinary speed. Despite those spectacular results, Nvidia shares slipped less than 1% in after-hours trading. While the Q2 guidance beat consensus, it fell short of some of the most aggressive whisper numbers floating around the street. This is a classic case of priced for perfection, and we will be doing a full fair value breakdown of Nvidia very soon. Away from Nvidia, AMD had a standout session today, surging 8%. They are riding momentum from their own Q1 results, which showed revenue of $1.75 trillion. If that holds, it will be one of the largest IPOs in stock market history. We will have a dedicated deep dive on SpaceX coming up on this channel. To summarize today, markets staged a strong recovery thanks to Iran deal optimism and falling oil prices. Nvidia delivered a record beat but could not satisfy the highest expectations. AMD continues to run, and SpaceX is officially coming to the public markets. That is your Fair Value Study market recap for May 20th. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Stock investing involves risk. Please conduct your own research before making any investment decisions.